Name, sir. Your name?
Benjamin Morris. Your mother was my English teacher at St. Joe's.
That's not gonna help you. It's not gonna hurt you either, but
I'm trying to.
listen, you're raising hell down there with all these people the last few days, I'm hearing. Just calm down here. Nobody's gonna treat you bad. Hello? Yeah,
I'm light sensitive.
Okay.
okay, good enough. Good. I don't. No worries. Thanks. So why'd you come in early today? Your court date isn't today.
I understand that. I was trying to acquire a motion for discovery for both charges. Well, 4 charges.
What 4 charges? I only have one in front of me. It's a noise violation.
There's an additional charge.
Out of
That's assigned to
Trenton?
Judge Hessen.
It's assigned you, and I would wish to be reassigned to you because I believe you're the fairest judge.
Now, wait a second. She's fair too. Yes, she is. Stop, please. Stop. You don't get to pick who your judge is. Do we have an order granting discovery here, Lisa?
Yes, I already gave it to him, Judge.
Hand that up to me, will you please? What do you want? Tell me what you want, Mr. Morrison. Hand that up your order. I'm sorry, Mr. Morris.
It's okay. I don't have it executed and completed at this time because I've been so busy, so it's blank.
Well, tell me what you want, though.
Okay, so
Let me see the order granting discovery. Let me see that.
it's just a blank piece.
I know, but it says order granting discovery on it, right?
I'll pull it up, my file. I'll get it for you. Just relax, please. I'm not telling you to relax. It just takes me a second to go.
Well, I know, but you said, I'm trying to help you. You said you got a job interview and
I do. I got it in 22 minutes.
I don't usually call cases when they're not scheduled on my docket.
I talked to Mr. Bologna and he told me you're here now, walk right into the courtroom and talk to the court reporter. That was per his instruction.
All right, okay. Just stop giving these girls a hard time down
They're
there.
not
Okay?
professional.
No, that is not true. I'll place them up against anybody in the state. That is not true.
Well, that
That is not true. Listen, don't start giving me a hard time about the staff, okay? That is absolutely not true. Hand me up what you got and I'll take a look. This is a noise violation, right? It's all it is.
all it is.
You're acting like it's
Any ticket that I get is important.
I understand. I just don't have people giving me discovery orders on noise violations.
Well, I already filed a FOIA for the body cam footage. And I just left Trenton Police Department. And they won't give it.
Call in, Mr. Bologna, will you?
I don't understand why they won't give it to me.
Hang on a
Your
second.
Honor.
Hang on. Just let me fill something out, will you? I'm gonna get you out of here. I promise you.
Thank you. I saw you on court cam one time and you told the guy you weren't gonna railroad him, and I feel like you won't railroad me.
All right. She won't either. None of us do here. We're good. We're,
You're fair. That's why I voted for you.
all right. Okay. Okay. Mr. Bologna. Mr. Bologna,
Yes, Your Honor.
this is a noise violation case. He wants you want the video footage or what is it, Mr. Morris? What do you want?
Anything in regards to it that I can defend myself against Mr. Bologna.
All right, but I don't know what you're asking. Is there a dash cam or is it video? Do you have anything?
I have not looked at it, Your Honor. I believe he still has to be arraigned, because that hasn't even been arraigned yet on this charge. And what I've explained to him is once he's arraigned, we will submit a formal discovery order, and he will get every single thing that.
Here, I want you to sign this. Here's what I'm writing down here, okay? Any dash cam / videos regarding the incident in question.
Your Honor, if I make it.
Just wait 1 second.
No problem.
Date of offense, 10/3/25. Okay? Now, yeah, he's got to go to a job interview. Can you just approve this as the form, or you want me just to order this on my own?
I could approve as a form.
Take a look at it. That's what I include. Any note, besides the general language, any note, dash cam / videos regarding the incident in question.
Your Honor,
Yes,
can it be unredacted? I'm defending myself.
what do you mean unredact? They're not gonna redact anything.
Be that as it may, I just wanted it on the record that I'm requesting it unredacted.
But they're saying here from the Records Bureau, November 5th, you gave me this. Oh, wait a minute, this is November 5th of 2005. All right, whatever. I'm just gonna indicate, are you representing yourself or do you want a lawyer?
I'll take a court-appointed lawyer. A good one.
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm signing the order, Lisa. I want you to process this order in relation to this noise case. I can't possibly have them give all these files to you, sir, at this point.
What if I was?
Just please listen to me. Take back your paperwork. I have one file in front of me. If you want to get the rest of these, I'll be happy to give you orders. Lisa, can you get Heather, because I'm going to do Judge Hessen's docket for a while today. Can you ask Heather to write out all the case numbers that he's got? I'm assuming they're all out of Trenton. That's in front of Judge Hessen. She can write down what I put down as number 6 here. And then she can bring them to me and we'll get the orders entered. Is that, if she has time? And she should, because Judge Hessen's not here right now. So can you ask her to do that for me, please?
You want a discovery order filled out for all those?
Yeah, I filled out the one on my, the only case that's in her. I don't know the case numbers or anything like that. Just ask her to.
Yep, I'll do it right now. I'll do it.
Perfect. Thank you. Mr. Bologna, would you take this down to my judicial clerk, please? And then we'll take care of these, okay? What? Yes, sir.
Your Honor, if I may. I also wish I've been trespassed from Brulligan's Pub on 4th Street by TV Diner. There's body cam footage. Excuse me, not body cam footage. I misspoke.
Listen to me.
There's footage
Listen to
from
me.
inside the.
Listen to me.
There's footage inside the.
Please listen to me.
I didn't bring.
I didn't say you did. I don't know anything.
Stop.
Stop. I can't just start signing orders and documents on cases I don't have before me here. You're coming in 2 weeks early. I'm trying to accommodate you, but I can't pull out all these files and start signing orders. When are those up for arraignment, Lisa? Mr. Bologna, just do me. Go ahead.
The Judge Hessen cases are next week, and then yours are the 20th. Hers are the 13th.
This one was up on the 20th. You can talk to her on the 13th. How long ago did these incidents happen? Ago.
My concern, I have to look through my file. It happened approximately 8 to 9 days ago. The point of the matter is, Your Honor, that there's body cam footage that shows the officer swooping behind me doing the ninja move.
That might be.
And I need that body cam footage so she can see it so I can.
You're going to have to present that to Judge Hessen. I'm sorry.
She's a dirty cop. She's a dirty cop.
She is not. Now watch what you're saying. Watch what you're saying. That is not true. Come on. Now go down the hall, take that order over to Trenton. They'll give you a copy of it, and you're going to have to go in front of Judge Hessen. I'm sorry. I've suddenly got all these cases. I just can't deal with this right now. I'm sorry. Okay, so you're going to have to talk to her. It's not my case. Okay, I don't interfere she doesn't interfere in my cases, and I'm not interfering in hers.
Now, Master.
No, we're done. I got to go on. You got an interview to get to. Okay, come on. Please listen to what I'm saying. Go down and get that other order on that case. Robert Lewis Thornton Jr., 25T644 914A and 25T644914B. And then I also have 25W837260. Come on up here to the podium, Mr. Thornton, please. Who's your lawyer, sir?
Hi.
Okay, come on up.
Your Honor, where should I go from here? Where do you want me to go from?
Why don't you go down the hall, and I can give you the order on the case I just signed. They'll give you the order on the case I just signed. You can serve it on the police.
I can't make that. Are you talking to me?
The order, you can go down the hall. They'll give you a copy of the order I just signed. You can take it to the police department, but stop raising hell with those people down there. I'm telling you. Do not give those girls a hard time. I mean it, Mr. Morris. I mean what I'm telling you. Now back away from the podium. I went out of my way to accommodate you. I'm going to be fair with you, but you're not going to treat them like they're dogs. I mean it. Come on up here, Mr. Thornton. Daniel David Hayes, 25T643636.
Good morning, Judge. Matt and Gabe, on behalf of Mr. Hayes. Mr. Hayes, take the full name for the record. Daniel Hayes.
All right, so your client pled guilty to illegal transportation of a firearm. Plea the prosecutor offered was for him to take that under 771, or the court to take it under 771. And I ordered a pre-sentence report. Have you had a chance to review the report with him? And are there any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
We have had a chance to review for the correction of the issue.
Anything you'd like to say on his behalf?
Just that Mr. He is 32 years old. He is steadily employed. He's been employed for 3 years with a company called The Pool Guys. He averages about $1,200 a week. He is engaged to be married. He does
Congratulations.
have 2 children, one from a previous relationship. And then his fiance also has a child from a previous relationship who lived with them. Judge, he does not have a significant criminal history, other than this current charge, Judge. He doesn't have any other convictions. We'd ask the court to adopt the recommendation. However, Judge, we do want to point out with regard to recommendation number 6, the requirement that he receive a GED or a high school diploma.
He doesn't want to do that?
He does not, because he works full-time, Judge.
How many hours you work?
At most 60 hours a week. And then I have 2 kids I gotta take care of. The time I have to spend with the old lady, I got.
What do you mean, your way? You know, I don't know what you mean by that.
It's soon to be wife.
Oh,
Sorry.
I knew what you meant.
He's too young to sing.
Yeah, that's something they used back in the 60s. Huh? When I was a kid.
I was raised by,
You were raised by what?
I was raised by my grandparents.
Okay, well, that explains it. All right, what else?
Judge, with regard to item 7.
Why don't you want to, you need to get this for yourself. I'm not going to order you to do it. Listen to me. I'm not going to order you to do it, but things are going to come up in life and you want to be able to be in the best position to make the most money and to have a job that you really like. You really like what you do?
Yes, sir. And I might add, before this 3-4 years I've been working with Pool Guys, I was a chef for about 8 years.
Where?
At Little Caesars Arena and other establishments.
And it
Mid
is,
29, which is a 4-star restaurant, year 1.
Maybe you can do both? I'm just kidding. Go ahead. What else? Anything else?
just
I won't order that.
item number 7, Judge, with regard to the possession of firearms. He did ask me, now that was just during the period of probation, correct, Judge?
Yeah, not forever. Yeah. Anything else?
Nothing else, Judge. We asked the court to adopt the recommendation.
You know you can't do what you did, right?
Absolutely. I like my lesson.
Why were you doing it though? If you
Well,
knew,
I didn't understand at the time that I was doing anything wrong. I thought as long as it was locked up in a way not easily accessible, that I was following the law.
6 months probation, you cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. Change your address, place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. complete 1 day on the court work program. There's a $35 charge for that. Complete 1 day or 8 hours of community service by December 20th. Attend and complete the firearm safety course. No firearms, no dangerous weapons during the period of probation. You're not to be in possession of any one of those. $100 fines, 50 costs, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment. So fines and costs are $275. Probation fees are $120 for $395. Screening fee is $60 for $455. Attorney fees are $40 for $495. You pay that, you do the other things, stay out of trouble. And at the end of 6 months, you come back, I'm gonna give you a review hearing date. I'll be happy to dismiss your case. If you violate, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 90 days. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Does the court consider early?
I mean, I don't have a problem. It's up to the prosecutor to move to dismiss it though, when it's taken under 771. I'm not gonna do that on my own.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So, what do you want here? Let's see. Do you have all this to pay or
April.
do you need? I'm sorry. Go ahead, Lisa.
Sorry, I thought you were asking me for a date.
That's
April
okay.
23rd of 26 at 9 o'clock.
April 23rd at 9 o'clock of 2026. Do you have all this to pay?
He does not, Judge.
How much does he
I
have?
read the second, I have about 150, I can pay today. I can pay it tomorrow, actually.
I'll just let you do this. 150 now. You get paid weekly?
Yes.
50 a week. 50 a week, and I'm gonna start this beginning on November 10th, okay? If you ever need more money, or more time rather, we don't
Always
need.
need.
No, I just got done with, I get it. 50 a week starting November the 10th. If you don't have the money at any point on any one of those due dates, call the court. We'll go on Zoom. I'll be glad to give you an extension. Just don't ignore me. You have to either come in here on or before the due date, call the court on or before the due date at 8:30 and we'll go on Zoom, whatever suits you, okay? Best of luck. Thank you. Dylan James Hall, 25B148235, A and B.
Good morning, Judge. Megan Gates here on behalf of Mr. Hall.
Mr. Hall, your name?
Bill and Jake Hall.
So he entered a not guilty plea on these. The charge is failure to provide proof of completing community service by September 15th. He's got one case, the drug charge was taken under 7411. He's got a concealed weapons charge as well that was taken under item. So if he pleads guilty, or if he's found guilty, his probation could be revoked, HIDA status revoked, 7411 status revoked, conviction entered on those, and he'd be subject to up to a 5-day jail term. So what is he going to do?
Judge, I've spoken to Mr. Hall, with regard to the,
Call in Jessica.
community service. He's got 3 hours left. So as far as today's hearing, proceedings, he is gonna plead guilty to the violations.
Is that right?
Yes, sir.
You understand everything I said?
Yes, sir.
You understand all your rights?
Yes,
If you plead guilty, you're gonna give up all those rights, and we're not gonna have a hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, to the charge that you failed to provide proof of completing 8 hours of community service by September 15th of 25. How do you plead? Did you fail to provide, and I'm gonna ask you this once, it's on both counts. So you understand you're pleading guilty on both counts, correct?
Yes, sir.
And did you fail to provide proof of completing your 8 hours of community service by September 15th?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Plea is accepted on those. Why didn't he have it done? Come on, I didn't order that much.
Judge, he works full-time and.
Well, what's full time? 40 hours?
I'm sorry?
What's full time? 40 hours?
So usually 40 hours a week.
Sometimes less?
Sometimes more, sometimes
I love this generation. They consider full time 18 hours a week. Your name? All right. What do you have to say? Go ahead.
You're talking.
Yeah, I'm talking. to you.
Additionally, he did say he made an effort to find some, places that he could actually, where he could do these hours. He wasn't able to, and then I believe his parents were the ones that went in actually physically to the Salvation Army.
Why are your parents doing your work? How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
19.
And they actually brought him a volunteer form where he filled out, he was actually finishing those hours. He did assure me that he's got 3 hours left and those will be done by the end of.
He graduated, right?
Huh?
Did you graduate?
Yeah. Graduated this year.
All right. From where?
Berkeley.
Make
And
you,
that, he's got all.
you live with your parents?
Yeah.
Smart. Rent's free, right?
Okay.
Rent is free?
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice. I keep threatening to go back and live with my mother. All right, what do you have, Jessica? What do you have? for-
Applying
All right.
otherwise, up to date on his payment plan, I've sent him for on-demand testing, he's been negative. He completed his 1 day in the court work program, he does have the substances of abuse class with class A, he did do the initial intake, he's just waiting to get sketchy.
You seem like a nice kid. You gotta follow through on this better, okay?
It just keeps slipping by me, I'm sorry.
Defendant to serve I'm gonna go light on you, okay? To serve 2 additional hours of community service plus the 8 for a total of 10. And I'm gonna give you by, December 1. I don't know why I'm being so nice, but that's what I'll do.
Judge, he's already completed 5 and he
I know,
originally ordered 8. He's
right,
got 3 left,
right.
so plus the 2 would be 5.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you said that well, no, he's only gonna have to complete 10 hours. We're not gonna count the 5. I mean, I'm gonna count the 5. So
You're
he's
gonna
got 5
include it.
done.
Okay,
So he's gotta do 5 more.
I apologize, my misunderstanding.
That's all right. I didn't make it very clear. All right, serve total of 10 hours, community service, 2 additional by December 1. All right, I know, I wasn't hiding. All right, but you're 19. So I'm gonna cut you a break. You seem like a nice kid. But be more attentive with this, okay? Good luck to you. I wish you well. Thank you.
sir.